Hey everyone, Jen Feynman with the Starr Realty Group and Keller Williams Realty. I'm so excited to tell you about our newest listing hitting the market in Southington in just a few days. This wonderful Colonial is one you're not going to want to miss. Centrally located, yet somewhat tucked away. Check out the beautiful private backyard. There's a storage shed, deck overlooking the yard. 3 bedrooms, one of which is the master bedroom with an ensuite full bath featuring a tiled shower and a jetted soaking tub, as well as a walk-in closet, ample storage space. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath in the hallway upstairs. Downstairs, there's a spacious living room with fireplace, a dining room, kitchen with eating area with sliders right out to that back deck, and a bonus room, perfect for a home office, spare bedroom, anything really. 2-car underhouse garage, full basement, unfinished. Great landscaping out here as well. Give me a call today for more information about this fabulous home, 203-868-2359. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.